Welcome to Tech Girl Kannada YouTube channel. Indian Constitution Module 1 and 2. The Indian Constitution is written and bulky. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Indian Constitution on November 26, 1949. The Government of India Act 1935 provided for diarchy at the center, establishment of the federal court, provincial autonomy, all of the above. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. This expression occurs in preamble. The ultimate source of authority in India, the people. The Constitution of India declares India as a union of states. The Constitution of India is unitary in form but federal in spirit. The President of the Constituent Assembly of India was Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. In the Indian Constitution, the fundamental rights formed a part of the original Constitution. The fundamental rights granted by the Indian Constitution to its citizens cannot be suspended except by an order of the President during national emergencies. Which of the following is no longer a fundamental right? A right to property. The Constitution of India says untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is prohibited. This is provided under right to equality. The basic feature of the Indian Constitution is found in preamble. Original Constitution classified fundamental rights into 7 categories, but now there are 6. Writ of prohibition cannot be issued against the legislative function. In 44th Amendment of the 1978, the right of property was omitted as a fundamental right and made legal right. Our Constitution prohibits untouchability. The phrase economic justice is found in preamble and directive principles of state policy. How many subjects are there in the central, state and concurrent list? 97, 66, 47. The right to primary education is fundamental right. Chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right to equality under Article 14 means treating all people equally. This is not the right of the arrested person to produce before the magistrate immediately. Total number of articles in the Indian Constitution is 395. The preamble of the Constitution declares India as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Which one of the following writs is issued by the court in case of an illegal detention of a person? Habeas corpus. A right to cultural and educational rights implies a right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution of their choice. Our constitution was adopted on and came into effect on adopted on 26 November 1949, effected on 26 January 1950. A person arrested has to be produced before magistrate within 24 hours. One of the salient features of our constitution is it is a partly rigid and partly flexible. Writ is an order issued by HC or SC for of our fundamental rights enforcement. The right against exploitation seeks to protect the weaker sections of the society by prohibiting human trafficking and begging. Chairman of the Constituent Assembly and was the chairman of the drafting committee was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Constituent Assembly chairman. Drafting committee chairman is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. According to Constitution means the system of fundamental political institutions or an autobiography of power relationship. Harman Fiber. The objective of the Constitution is to establish a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic government. Fundamental rights are available against the action of both state and private individual. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to property. In case of an illegal detention of a person, normally the court issues habeas corpus. Which one of the following article is known as heart and soul of the Constitution? Article 32. Secular means treating all religions equally. The Act of 1935 abolished diarchy in the provinces. Diarchy means a system of double government, responsible government, bureaucratic government, all of the above. The cabinet mission came to India in 1946. The Constituent Assembly of India started its work in 1946 and completed its work in November 1949. The Constituent Assembly on August 29, 1947 appointed a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which of the following words were added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment? Secular, socialist, integrity, all of the above. Which of the following writ is issued by the Supreme Court if it is sends an order to restrain a person from acting in an office to which he is not entitled? Quo warranto. Under the Indian Constitution, the subjects of administration have been divided into three lists. The famous Dandi March done by Mahatma Gandhi was against salt tax. The Indian Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. The preamble and the Constitution of India has been amended so far once. A state which does not promote or interfere in the affairs of religious is referred to as secular. Minority may be linguistic or religious. Which one is not a fundamental right? Right to strike. The phrase economic justice is found in preamble and fundamental rights. In the Indian Constitution, the fundamental rights formed a part of the original Constitution. A right to religion is not subject to public health. Article 19 provides 6 freedoms. Equality before law permits legislation classification and prohibits class legislation. The right guaranteed under Article 19 will be suspended only when a proclamation of emergency is declared on the ground of external aggression. Module 3. The main purpose of including directive principles of the state policy in the Constitution of India is to establish a welfare state. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. This is not a directive principles. Workers' participation in management. This is not a fundamental duty. Respect to elders and teachers. The main objectives of directive principles are establish social and economic democracy in the country. Which one of the following directive principles can be described as Gandhian in nature? Organization of village panchayats as unit of self-government. Directive principles of state policies are justiciable. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty? To secure a uniform civil code applicable to the entire country. Directive principles of state policies were incorporated in the Constitution with a view to establish a welfare state. To respect the national flag and national anthem is a fundamental duty of every citizen. Fundamental duties under the Indian Constitution are provided by an amendment of the Constitution. The directive principles of the state policies are social rights. This is not a fundamental duty not to indulge in corrupt practice. The directive principles of the state policy do not direct the state to endeavor to protect the interest of minorities. This is not a fundamental duty. Respect to elders and teachers. Directive principles comes under the Constitution, Part 4. The President of India may from time to time dissolve the Lok Sabha. President rule can be imposed in the state on the failure of the constitutional machinery in a state. Which of the following administers oath to office to a President of India? The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The President of India is elected after having been passed by both the houses of the Parliament. When a non-money bill is presented to the President for his assent, he may sign it, return the bill for reconsideration, withhold it. All the above. Which of the following can issue ordinances during the recess of Parliament? The President. Chief Justice or other judges of the Supreme Court after their retirement or removal are not eligible to practice in any court or before any authority without the territory of India. Which of the following administers oath of the office and secretary secrecy to the ministers in the state? The governor. The salary of the judges of High Court is charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. According to the Marriage Act of 1954, the age is fixed at 21 years for men and for women for getting married 18 years. Which of the following has the power of judicial review? High Courts, District Courts, Supreme Court. All the above. Which of the following is not one of the three organs of Union State? Press. How many Anglo-Indians and other members can be nominated by the President of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha before Anglo-Indian nomination to Lok Sabha was terminated? 2 and 12. Who will preside over the joint session of both houses of Parliament? Speaker. Which of the following administers oath of office to the President of India? The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The President of India is elected after having been passed by both the houses of the Parliament. When a non-money bill is presented to the President for his assent, he may sign it, return the bill for reconsideration, withhold it, all of the above. Which of the following can issue ordinances during the recess of Parliament? The Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, the Minister of Parliament Affairs, the Prime Minister, the President, Chief Justice, or other judges of the Supreme Court after their retirement or removal are not eligible to practice in any court or before any authority within the territory of India. Which of the following administers oath of the office and secrecy to the ministers in a state? Governor. The salary of the judges of High Court is charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. According to the Marriage Act of 1954, the age is fixed at 21 years for men, and for women for getting married 18 years. Module 4. A bill presented in the Parliament becomes an act after the President has given his assent. Which of the following shall not be introduced in Rajya Sabha? None of the above. A person shall not be qualified to be chosen to fill a seat in the Rajya Sabha unless he is not less than 35 years old. The seat of a member of Parliament may be declared vacant if he is without the permission of the House absent from the meeting of that House for a period of 90 days. The President of India is elected indirectly by an electoral college. Which of the following is not included in such electoral college? Elected members of assemblies of the Union Territories. The Rajya Sabha from amongst its own members elects its Deputy Speaker. According to the Indian Constitution, the executive power of the Union is vested with the President. Vice President of India. The President of India can address either House of the Parliament, can dissolve the Lok Sabha, can promulgate ordinance during the recess of Parliament, all of the above. No person shall be eligible for the election as President of India unless he is qualified for election to the Lok Sabha. The President of India has power to issue ordinances when the Parliament is not in session. The minimum age prescribed for the membership of the Rajya Sabha is 35 years. Which of the following is not done by the President? Adjournment of the House of Parliament. No person can contest election for the membership of the Lok Sabha unless he is a citizen of India and has completed the age of 25 years. The ministers of the Union Cabinet are answerable to the Prime Minister. The executive power of the state is vested in the Governor. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha is appointed by the President or is elected by the members of the Parliament. Answer is elected by the members of Lok Sabha. Which of the following is the guardian of the fundamental rights of citizens? The Supreme Court. The President of India has power to issue ordinances when the Parliament is not in session. The Indian judiciary is a highest law-making body. Which of the following falls under the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? Disputes between the two states of Indian Union. The Supreme Court of India can review its own orders of judgments, the orders issued by the executive. All the union ministers sail and swim together. The entire ministry has to resign if it loses the confidence of the Lok Sabha. The ministers hold office during the pleasure of the President, which in fact means during the pleasure of the Prime Minister. Which of the following contains largest number of subjects? Union list. An integral part of Parliament is the President of India. 1/3 of the members of the Rajya Sabha retire every 2 years. Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court hold office until they attain the age of 65 years. A person to be appointed as Prime Minister should be a member of Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha has a term of 6 years. To become a judge of Supreme Court, one among above option is sufficient. There is a provision for impeachment of President, who discharges the duties of President in the event of President and Vice President being the Chief Justice of India. Who of the following are not appointed by the President on the advice of Prime Ministers? Speaker of Lok Sabha. What is the minimum age in years becoming MP at LS and RS? LS Lok Sabha 25, Rajya Sabha is 30. Which one of the following can the President of India declare? Emergency due to threat of war, external aggression, armed rebellion. Emergency due to breakdown of constitutional machinery in the state. Financial emergency on account of threat to the financial credit of India. All the above. President can be removed by impeachment procedure on the ground of violating the constitution by both the houses of parliament. Which of the following confers upon the citizens and the right to approach a court of law for protection and restoration of fundamental rights? The right to constitutional remedies. Which of the following statement is correct? Parliament can amend fundamental rights. A citizen's fundamental rights are protected autonomically by the Supreme Court. Judicial review means reviewing the lower court judgment. The Controller and Auditor General acts as guardian of public finances. The President can appoint a Lok Sabha from Anglo-Indian community, 2%. Which article of the Constitution provides protection to the civil servants? 311. India is known as the parliamentary democracy because executive is responsible to the parliament. The vice president is having power to preside over Rajya Sabha. Parliament of India consists Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the President of India. The ground for implement of the President. Violation of Constitution. The ministers hold office during the pleasure of President, which in fact means during the pleasure of the Prime Ministers. Module 5. The governors in the state plays a dual role as an agent of the President and as the constitutional head of the state. The state legislative assembly is prorogued by the chief minister. The chief justice and other judges, often other state high courts, hold office until they attain the age of 62 years. Chief ministers of a state is appointed by governor. Which state among the following has two houses? Karnataka. The legislature council is none of the above. Can the governor be the governor of two states? Yes. What is the minimum age to contest Vidhan Parishad? 30 years. Who is the present governor of Karnataka? None of the above. In state, the governor is given certain special powers with respect to the administration of the tribal areas as provided in the 6th schedule of the Constitution. Assam. The governor recommends the imposition of president rule in the state if he is satisfied that the government of state cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of Constitution. The meetings of Council of Ministers are presided over Chief Minister. Governor reserves the right to issue ordinances. What the state legislature is not in session, and he feels that there is an immediate need of action. The Chief Justice and other judges of High Court are appointed by the President. In which of the following is it constitutionally obligatory for the state to have a separate minister for tribal welfare? Bihar. The Council of Ministers with the Chief Ministers as the head is to guide the governor. The governor is the constitutional head of the state and he is appointed by the President. The governor of the state is appointment by the President. The governor may resign his office by writing to the Vice President of India. The Council of Ministers in State shall be collectively responsible to the Chief Minister. The oath of life to a governor of a state is administered by the Chief Justice of the High Court in the state. The governor of a state may be removed by a president. Generally, the governor belongs to some other state. The emoluments, allowances, and privileges of the governor shall be determined by the parliament. Bicameral means presence of 2 hours in the state. What is the effect of the resignation or death of the chief ministers of the state? Midterm polls. The minimum gap permissible between the two sessions of the legislature is 6 weeks. Who is the neutral in affairs of party politics? Speaker. Which state among the following has 2 houses? Karnataka. To become a judge of the High Court, one must be practicing advocate of High Court for the period of at least 5 years. According to the Marriage Act of 1954, the age is fixed at 21 years for men and for women 18 years. The election commissioners are appointed by the President. Which amendment of the Constitution repealed right to property? 44th, right to property. This is not the function of election commission, selection of the candidate. 74th amendment of the Constitution refers to urban local bodies. Which article deals with the amendment procedure of the Indian Constitution? Article 368. The regional election commissioners may be appointed by the President with the consultation of the Election Commission. Which amendment deals with the establishment of municipalities as a part of Constitution system? 74th. A citizen of India may be debarred from the right to vote on the ground of non-residence. Who has been made responsible for the free and fair elections in the country? The Chief Election Commission. The Election Commission does not conduct elections to the Speaker of Lok Sabha. What is the system used to elect the President of India? Proportional representation. The amendment procedure to the Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of United States. Which was the lengthiest amendment of the Constitution? 42nd. The final stage of election process is announcement of results. Voting age of citizen is changed from 21 to 18 years by which Constitutional Amendment Act? 61st. 74th Amendment of the Constitution refers to urban local bodies. This is not the function of election commission. Selection of candidates. Legally permissible age of marriage for boy and girl is 21 and 18. Voting age of citizens is reduced from 21 to 18 years by Constitutional Amendment 61st. Creamy layer means persons holding high post and having higher income of backward class people. If the national emergency is declared, the following fundamental rights cannot be suspended. Article 20 and 21. National Commission for Women was constituted under Act of 1990. The Constitution empowers state government to make special law for women and children. There is reservation of seats for SCs and STs in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, only in Lok Sabha. President can declare national emergency under Article 352, which is the commission appointed by the Government of India to investigate conditions of socially and educationally backward classes of the society. Mandal. Indian Constitution guarantees reservation to SCs and STs in the Legislative Assembly and Lok Sabha. Jobs are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes people both at the time of appointment and promotion. Breakdown of the constitutional machinery in a state is popularly known as President's rule. The President can proclaim an emergency on the ground of all of the above. Which one of the following types of emergency has not yet declared till now? Financial emergency. Exclusion of creamy layer makes a backward class truly then more socially backward. State of emergency is declared by President. The Mandal Commission for Backward Classes was set up in 1978, which amendment deals with the establishment of municipalities as part of constitutional system. 74th. The Constitution empowers state government to make special law for women and children. To declare national emergency, a decision must be taken by both by the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. According to the Indian Constitution, the power of amending the Constitution are vested with Parliament of India. The right to education was made a fundamental right in 86th Amendment. A new fundamental duty was added where parents or guardians were direct to provide educational fund opportunities to children between 6 and 14 years in 86th Amendment. Which amendment is called as Mini Constitution of India 42nd. Their words are added to preamble Socialist, Secular and Republic by Dash Amendment 42nd Amendment. The fundamental duties of Indian citizens were added to the Constitution by 42nd Amendment. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.